What's up, Brew Crew? Opie here. Welcome back to my Brew City Garden. Hey, so I just wanted to give a quick update on the Straw Bale Garden Collaboration for the 2019 growing season. So we've added a couple of new members to the collaboration for this season, which is really exciting. It's great to have these two new channels joining us in the collaboration this year. So the first new member is going to be Linda over at PG Nano Farms, and she's starting. This is going to be her first year bale gardening, and I believe she's working with 6 bales. I'm pretty sure it's 6 bales. I could be wrong there. You definitely want to go check out Linda's channel at PG Nano Farms and go see for yourself what she's doing. It is her first time bale gardening, and so far she's off to a great start. Her conditioning process went beautifully, and she's even got seeds sown and are actually starting to grow. I believe she reported that she had some radishes growing already. So good for Linda, good work, and make sure you go keep up with her channel for the Bale Garden Collaboration for 2019. And the second channel to join our collaboration is Amy over at Hummingbird Hill Homespun, which is pretty exciting because Amy is using hay this year instead of straw. So she had several bales of hay available to her. Basically, were just kind of given to her, and so she decided, well, you know, what the heck, let's try to make a bale garden. So it's her first year as well. So make sure you go check out Amy over at Hummingbird Hill Homespun, and definitely check out Linda at PG Nano Farms. It's just really cool to have all these people coming together now for this collaboration. So as of right now, we've got Brainstorm Acres channel. We've got Rob, the Sapper Gardener over at Essayons Family Garden. Let's see, we got myself here at the Brew City Gardener channel. We've got Amy at Hummingbird Hill Homespun, and Linda over at PG Nano Farms. So at this point, we're all fairly close in where we're at in the bale garden this year. Everybody's conditioning is complete. A lot of us have at least seeds sown in the bales. In fact, I think we all have at least seeds sown in the bales. And I know Amy and Rob both have actual plants in their bales. So they're off to a great start. They're doing better than I am. But of course, I'm a little bit further north than everybody else. I'm in zone 5. So I think everybody's got a little bit of a head start on me. Now, certainly over the next 2 weeks, everybody's going to be they're just going to be loading down, sowing seeds and putting transplants in their bales. So within the next 2 weeks, everybody's going to be off to the races. You know, I'm just really excited about this collaboration. I can't wait to see how this works out for everybody. You know, we got the first timers and we got a couple of really experienced bale gardeners. And, you know, bale gardening is such an easy and just a great way to garden. You know, all you got to do is make sure you condition your bales properly. And other than that, you know, maybe make sure your spacing is okay. Otherwise, the plants are just going to grow, and they're going to grow phenomenally. And it's going to be really fun to watch these guys, especially the first-time bale gardeners, and to see the success that they have and just how excited they're going to be. Hey, if you're not already subscribed to all these channels, I'll leave all the links below, and I'm even creating a playlist. So at the end of the season, you can just go straight to my playlist, and everybody's videos will be they'll be in that playlist. So you can just click one button and watch hours of straw bale gardening entertainment. All right, guys, it was just a short update, and make sure you stick around because there's way more to come. The season's just getting started, and I couldn't be more excited. And over the next 2 weeks, we're going to be doing we're going to put in all kinds of transplants, and we're going to be sowing a bunch of seeds, and I'm going to show you everything that I know about straw bale gardening to help you out with your garden. All right, guys, hey, thanks for keeping up with all these channels for the 2019 Straw Bale Gardeners Collaboration. And until next time, you guys have an awesome day. We'll see you.